Rob, life can be cruel, but football can be particularly cruel at times. Give me your assessment of that performance.
Yeah, I'm really proud of them, honestly. We knew it was going to be a tough test. With your strongest 11, when you come to Poland away, it's a tough test. We had a plan going into the game. Unfortunately for us, we've got this playoff final in between these Nations League games as well, which obviously has an impact on our team selection. So we knew we were in for a battle. That was their best 11 today. That was their strongest team that they could pick. And we've gone toe-to-toe with them and took the lead. And we're good for a point. Absolutely were. So I've got nothing but praise for them. It's a cruel game. I've just looked at the goals back. It's two deflections for the second one. And I think we can do a little bit better on the first one. So there's so many positives that outweigh the negatives on it. We hate losing. We hate losing. And I've just said that to them. But if you're going to lose in that manner. Go out and give a performance that you can be proud of. And they will. And we'll pick ourselves up. There's nobody moping around. I've made sure of that. And we're ready to go again tomorrow.
Rob, you've mentioned the 2 goals. I guess it's a stark reminder that this is League A. You know, any mistake will cost you when you're playing against the best teams in Europe. Yeah,
the second goal, it hits Reece, unfortunately, on the inside of his left heel. That falls straight to the striker that puts it in. It's one of those things. But like I said, Johnny Esther getting his goal, outstanding.
He doesn't score tap-ins, does he, that man?
He don't score tap-ins, no. But I'm so pleased for him because he gives us absolutely everything when he's here. The energy he creates is phenomenal. And Wes Burns, I thought, was outstanding. You know, that was his debut today, and I've just said to the lads there, what a debut. I thought we've plucked him out of nowhere and thrown him in the deep end in many respects. But we've been that impressed with him through the week that we thought, yeah, he's more than capable of dealing with it, and he didn't let us down at all.
And Rob, of course, attention now turns to Sunday. These players will take a lot of heart from that performance, and it feels like you're in a very good place.
Yeah, absolutely. I've said, right, let's go and make history. That's it. It's frustrating. Nobody likes losing, but they'll be ready. We'll pick ourselves up. We'll go again tomorrow, and one big win.
Rob, safe journey back.
Cheers. Thank you.